Supplements promising better prostate health and higher testosterone. Sounds like a dream, right? Today we're reviewing Zalvo Prostate Health to see if it actually works or if it's just mostly marketing hype. Let's jump in. So Zalvo Prostate Health is marketed as a daily supplement for men that supports prostate function, urinary flow, libido, energy, and testosterone levels using natural extracts like saw palmetto, nettle root, pumpkin seed, zinc, and herbs said to influence hormone balance. Here's why some research align with the ingredients. Saw palmetto and pumpkin seeds are widely used for prostate comfort and may support urinary symptoms. In some men, zinc is essential for testosterone production. Deficiency can lower testosterone. Nettle root and certain herbs may help with hormone support when paired with good diet and sleep. Ingredient level science suggests possible supportive roles for general prostate health and nutrient balance. But here's the real talk. There's no strong clinical evidence that Zalvo itself significantly increases testosterone in healthy men. Most studies show supplements at best support normal levels, not boost them dramatically. Effects on prostate or hormones are subtle and individualized, not an instant fix. Reviews on independent platforms are mixed and limited, and many claims are more marketing than science. So does Zalvo Prostate Health actually increase testosterone? Not in a dramatic or proven way. It may support overall male wellness and prostate comfort thanks to some credible nutrients, but there's no strong proof it meaningfully boosts testosterone levels by itself. True hormone changes come from diet, exercise, sleep, and targeted medical care, not pills alone. The bottom line, Zalvo may offer some supportive ingredients for prostate comfort and nutrient balance, but it's not a testosterone booster on its own. Treat it as a wellness supplement, not a hormone hack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.